Guys, in this video we'll see how to install IIS and access it through some web URL across the network, across the globe. So we'll need RDP to be connected. I already have RDP connected with me just to save the time. You see the server manager is open. In that I'll click on the manage, add roles and features. I click on the next, then role based feature, yes, then it is the only one server I have. Here it asks you for the roles which you want to enable. I want to enable web server, that is IIS, add features related to IIS, and then click on the next. There are several general features you can choose from because you have added some roles earlier by default. Then click on next. Specific to your role you can choose many services, so HTTP redirection, HTTP logging, tracing, request monitor, and so on. You can choose any of those as per your need. I'll click on the next. I just need a simple server to be set up, and I click on the install. Let's see how much time it takes. Now I see my installation is succeeded. I can click on close. Okay, let's see where the IIS is. Here I can see the IIS, or I can just open IIS from here also. You can just search for IIS. Okay, yep. By default you get one default site. So I can just browse this site. Can we see something? Oof. Localhost. No, leave it. Okay, here we see on the localhost something. Now I want to access it publicly. Okay, I'll go to my virtual machine. To access, we just need to configure the DNS. You can click on the configure, or even if you could click on the public IP address, it's one and the same. It takes me here, and now I have to give some URL to this. Okay, it's wintest VM. Let's see whether it exists. It exists. Wintest VM, it says. Okay, so I'm okay. I'll just click on save. Now it has to give me this link, share link. I'll just go back to overview, and now you see you have this VM test .cloud .something. I'll just copy it here, paste it here, enter. That's it. Now you can host whatever you want on this machine. In this default site also you can just host your application, and that application will start reflecting there. Or if you know IIS, then you can add website, and you can even map the third-party host name which you have bought from some domain register, and you can create your website. If you would like to have any video on IIS, then let me know in the comments. I'll prepare one video to how to create websites and set up the application tools and the IIS management. We can create a video for that. Sorry, yeah. So this way we can just install IIS and access your website on the internet in the Azure. Now let's say you have done everything well, but still you're not able to see your site on this URL. There could be one mistake you might have made, that while creating this VM you have not enabled the ports. So what you do is you go to your virtual machine, go to the networking and check whether you have the 80 port and 443 port available here in the list in the inbound port rules. Because inbound, why is it inbound? Because the rest of the world wants to connect to you on your server through port 80. This is the basic configuration, like you have all by default, and then you just select the service. If you want to add it manually, you select HTTP and HTTPS in the another rule. You click on the save and then you will be able to add. To add, you just need to click on add inbound rule. By default you get everything here. Just click on HTTP. You're done. If there is something wrong with your firewall, then what you can do is you can go to your VM, go to your firewall, Windows Defender firewall with advanced security, go to inbound rules and search for the rule that is World Wide Web Publishing. It is on the port 80. So I'll just try to go to port 80 now. Yeah, here. If you say it is this one, this is enabled. If you're not able to access, there is possibility that this one is not enabled, or unfortunately it got disabled, maybe due to some mistake or something. And you can even add this rule also manually by just creating new rule and giving port 80 with TCP protocol. Then you are done. So this way you can install IIS on your virtual machine. You can access it over the internet, and if you miss the enabling of the ports, then you can do it in both the ways, through the portal or through the virtual machine firewall directly. In the next video, let's see something exciting. Till then, goodbye, take care. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, then please subscribe the channel. Take care.